funny story of an engineer, and he had to drop the Prince Albert back down to London from, I think it was up near Windsor or somewhere up north, and he gave him a lift just on the engine. So there was a Prince and the engineer, and it was late at night. I think it was quite stormy, and the engineer obviously wanted to scare his socks off. So he decided to test this thing out and see how fast he could go. And there is a story that he hit up to 150 miles an hour and scared the poor Prince out of his skin. You can just imagine the the glee of the engineer of his small car.
Okay, so we're now about to clear coat the train and the trailer. Edward, will explain.
Yeah, so we've got just the lines on it, so hopefully they don't go on everywhere. Haven't actually used the spray paint before, so it's kind of a bit of an experiment, but hey, it's very runny. So far, so good.
Smell it.
Oh yeah, the stuff's been strong. Oh man, it's shining up. Don't get on that.
What's on?
Nice even coat. Don't load it up and put too much on it.